The construction sector presents exciting challenges for the future. Delivering projects in less time, of higher quality and lower cost, or improving communication and involvement of the whole team are some of them. The question is, are you ready to lead these challenges? Taking the Global Masters in Construction Project Management of Ziggurat, you'll acquire the necessary management skills and competencies to lead construction projects in an increasingly demanding industry. You'll get to know the best practices applied to the requirements of each phase of the life cycle. Learn how to use state-of-the-art software and tools for project management. You'll do it by applying the PMBOK strategy and also the latest methodologies and tools such as Lean, IPD, BIM, VDC, LEAD, and BRIAM. What's more, during the Masters, you'll have the opportunity to prepare for the PMP official certification by gaining free access to a simulator. And this Masters will give you the much-needed practical approach. From the very first day, you'll work in teams on a final master thesis in which you'll be able to recreate workflows in a real project environment. Become the leader the industry needs. Lay the foundation for the construction of the future.